If you want to start using the fun video app TikTok, you are in the right video to learn. I am Jennifer from KK Technologies. In this video I'll be showing you how to use the TikTok app. Now let's get started. The first thing you need to do is install the app. If you not downloaded yet, you can download for free from Google Play Store for Android or App Store on iOS. Once you install the app, the next step is to create an account or log in if you have a TikTok or old Musical.ly account already. To log in, tap the profile icon in the bottom right corner. Tab Login. Enter your username and password. Then tab the Next to sign in. Here is your TikTok timeline. You will see popular posts on your timeline. By default you'll just see the top trending and popular posts on TikTok. But once you follow other users, you'll see posts from accounts you follow here. To follow other TikTok users, tap the magnifying glass in the bottom menu. Now you can type in the search bar at the top to find your friends on TikTok by their username, or discover other people to follow by checking out hashtags. When viewing another user's profile, tap Follow, thus you can follow them. To create TikTok post, tap the plus sign at the bottom of your screen. When you start recording, tap the check mark to save your changes. Choose the speed you want your video to play when it's done. This will affect how fast the audio plays while you're recording your video. Now, aim your device's camera at whatever you'd like to record a video of. You can switch between your device's front and back cameras by tapping the circle of arrows on the right side of your screen. To select a song for your post, tap Pick a Sound at the left bottom. Then look through TikTok's library of songs to find one you like. Choose the song you'd like to use. Then tap Shoot with this sound. If you'd like to adjust the point where the music is going to start playing, tap the scissors icon, then slide the music track to the point where you want the song to begin. If you want to stop recording, simply lift your finger from the camera button. Once you're finished recording, you can proceed to editing. Tap the color dots to browse video filters. Tap a filter to see what it looks like on your video. For more editing, the clock icon will allow you to access cool special effects. Tap an effect to preview it. If you like how it looks, tap Save in the top right. When you're all done editing your TikTok post, it's time to share it. Tap Next in the bottom right corner to go on. Now, you can add a caption. Type in what you want it to say. Tag your friends in a post by typing the @ symbol, followed by their TikTok username. When you're finished typing, tap Done. If you want, you can share your post to your other social media accounts, like Twitter. When you're ready to share your creation to your TikTok profile, tap Post. Wait a few seconds for your video to be uploaded, and you're all done. Thanks for watching. If you find this video helpful, please tap subscribe button below.